Thank you very much. Dato' Freddy informed me about this sports event, and I said we are more than happy to support the program. Basically, I think we are going to use this event, whatever collections we raised for this event. The important thing is that we are going to donate it to charity. And I think today there are lots of homes, orphanages that require support of the public. And this is one of the areas where Dato' Freddy came and discussed with me. We will see what we can do. And with the help of you people putting it in your press, telling the people in Penang that this event is in the interest of sports people. At the same time, we are also raising some money for homes who require this urgent assistance from the sports body. Hopefully, others will also follow us by doing charitable events in Penang. Again, before I end, we have got also, I think, the governor coming to grace this function. If possible, we will try to get some VIPs to come along on that day also. I hope with your support, your press support, more people will phone in and contact us to participate in this event. I know that in events of this nature in Kuala Lumpur, there will be a lot of support from the public, especially corporate companies. Hopefully some of the companies that are in Penang will also come forward to support this event. Okay, thank you very much.